What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video of CT Drag. So today we're actually gonna work on Snowflake again. We're gonna get it prepped for tonight. We got a couple, well, not tonight, tomorrow. So we're just prepping everything for tomorrow. So from the last video, I still didn't do the oil change. I still didn't do what else didn't I do? Transmission fluid.
You didn't do anything.
All we did was spark plugs and nitrous. That's it.
And an intake.
And the intake. So today we're pretty much gonna do the oil changes and put in the bottle and test it. We're gonna see how it goes. I also forgot to mention that we're actually changing the axle on the car too, because this axle is pretty bad. It's shifting inside the transmission. And thanks to Mikey, you know, he told me, yeah, I tightened it. What nut, bro? I'll keep you guys posted of what we do next. All right, so we got the bottle in. Test fire. Oh, we good. We good, baby.
We poppin'. I just need a blowtorch, which I don't have.
And no, I am not tuned. This is just a little dry 50 shot.
I don't know what this chat's gonna do on here. This is for EX. I don't know what it's gonna do for this. It might be like 75.
What? Well, anyways, we're gonna
test
test
it. I was telling you, I don't know what it's gonna do.
So let's see what happens. We don't even know if this what's gonna. Yeah, no, not even tuned yet. So we're just testing it out right now with just a regular P75.
That's about right.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, but here, go. Hit it. Alright. We can open the jet up if you want. Huh? So we can up the jet if you want. But you're probably gonna run out of fuel. That feels about right. That feels about 180. Going up in the rev range.
What?
You're at.
Remember, I stopped at 7.
You know,
it
was like 60, like 6100. You switched. I'm watching you.
Yo, we spin 7.
Ordinary. All right, open this motherfucker up. Bottle. So what's your
I need more. No,
more?
I'm joking, I'm joking. That shit felt pretty fucking good, dude.
I think that was decent. I think at this power level you should just get your feet wet, because remember, you're only doing kind of like short passes. You're not doing like a full run, so you really don't know what top end mile an hour you're going to be looking at as far as.
Well, it's not like I can really look at it.
I know but you're you know what I mean, like you're just get used to this power level. It's only on a 50. Get with the B20 on a 50 shot, you're close to 200 horsepower. It's a fact. So the car definitely feels about 200 horsepower. That would be my guess.
I say like 180.
I'd say 200 because you have a B20. So 150 plus 50 is 200. That's math to me.
One thing to the dyno. Yeah, I gotta fix that shit, man.
You got lightweight pulley. You got lightweight flywheel. You got lightweight cam gears. You got ram air. You got header, semi-exhaust, and you got straight shot of 50 to 60 in between, with the bottle heated. I think you're close to 200 horsepower. I think that you should start there, and then we can go from 2 to 250, and then you're probably going to be limited about right there. Yeah. So Miguel's car's hand, that's for sure.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop.